energy infrastructure demands maximum reliability and continuous oversight. Power substations are critical assets within the national grid, and their inspection must be precise, safe, and efficient. By implementing an automated drone inspection system powered by DJI Dock and Drone Harmony, APG has transformed the way inspections are conducted, enabling faster missions, improved team safety, and advanced data-driven insights.
APG, the Austrian Power Grid AG, is responsible for the reliable and safe operation of the high voltage grid of Austria. Nowadays we have about 85 drones in APG and about 80 drone pilots. And by using the dock with Drone Harmony, it was possible for us to get more independent. When you think about time, the drone can fly at every time, at day, at night, and often at night you can get the best results in case of thermal inspection because you have no sunlight, the wind is decreasing. The major benefit by using drone in the dock is when you created this route, you get always the same images because the drone saves the exact location where photos were taken and also the setup of the camera. You get reliable measurement and also better quality in the measurement because each photo looks the same. The system works really reliable. Also in windy conditions, we have weather restrictions by the flight authority, which we had to pay attention on. And we already did flights inside of these restrictions where it was a bit windy and the drone always landed safely and did each mission successfully. For sure, the system of Drone Harmony also improves the safety in case of when one of these inspection routes is created. The colleague who starts the mission over Drone Harmony doesn't really have to think of, okay, may it collide with any components because the routes are created by educated drone pilots. And if one route is created successfully, there's no way that the drone can collide with any components in the substation. So APG has about 87 substations and only 8 of them, colleagues of mine, have the office and many of them are far away from these office substations. So the stock solutions offer the possibility to easily inspect each substation and also control the substations instead of when you have, for example, a defect in the substations. Maybe a colleague of mine is 1.5 hours away. By using the dock, it's possible at any time from any place in Austria. The colleague can log in Drone Harmony and can inspect the substation, and if a defect occurs, he gets a picture of the defect instantly.
Powered by Drone Harmony, autonomous inspections are transforming infrastructure monitoring, delivering greater efficiency, improved safety, and smarter decision-making.